What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to share or copy your channel link on Telegram. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first, go to your Telegram and choose any channel you want. So this one is a bot, but it's still the same as group or channel. So click this one right here and click three dots in the top right corner. After that, just click share, and after that just click Chrome and it will go you to the website. After you're done on the website, just click this one right here, then copy your link. That's it. That's how you do it, and you can now send it to someone, to your friends. So you can share it to your social media account. For example, to your IG, you can add it as your bio, and that's it. That's how you copy channel, group, or bot link on Telegram. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.